Hello, I'm Satvik Soni and I'm going to make a bad film. I have always finished a project when I've brute forced my way through it, which means that once I start a project, I cannot take a rest, I cannot take a break. I have to see it to completion or it's not happening. I'm not picking it up ever again. And uh it has been the case for my reels mostly, which is it takes a day and a half. At the end of the day, it's just a 90-second video, so I'll write, shoot, edit, do everything within a day and a half and just push it out and never look back at it again. I did the same thing when I tried to make my short film this time, which is a 40-minute thing, and still I wrote the whole thing in a week and a half at max. Didn't sleep while I was writing it, didn't eat while I was writing it. A lot of important conversations that I had to do, I just skipped them. Back when I had a job and I had to make my reels or any other videos, I would completely ignore my job, completely ignore every other responsibility, and just finish that project. Uh, and what I've realized is I have this need to finish a project once I start it, because if I let it rest, if I start and then take a break and then try to get back to it, during that limbo period, a lot of frustration creeps in, a lot of fear creeps in, and a lot of doubt creeps in about the quality of the project, about why am I even doing this? I could really be doing something better. Uh, Nobody is going to like it. It's going to be a terrible thing. A thousand people have already said the same thing throughout history. And that is a fear of being imperfect in a way. Uh, that is also a fear of failure in a way. And to avoid failure, my brain decides to just not do anything at all. And then to avoid not doing anything at all, my brain decides to do everything at once. So what I'm trying to convince myself of now is that it is that I have to make a film, and it's okay if it sucks. Even if we fail, it's not the end of the world. It's not the only thing that I want to do. I have a bunch of other shit I want to do. I want to write a book maybe, or get another job if all else fails. Because making a longer film, making a feature film, or writing a novel, or making an album, longer projects like these, you can't really brute force your way through them to completion. Uh, you can't do the thing that I do usually, which is this is my normal life, this is normalcy and boring, and I hate it. And then when I have a project, I am suddenly elevated into a bubble that exists somewhere above the normalcy, and I'm in that bubble. I finish everything. I don't talk to anyone. I am not of this world during that process, and then I come crashing down into normalcy again, which is, that's not a way to live. And even beyond wellness, that's just not a sustainable way to do a long term project. I can't do that for a year and a half or 2 years straight. I'll like die. I just want to make a film, is what I have to keep reminding myself, that oh, you want to make a film, you do not want to make a good film. uh, you, because good is, first of all, good is subjective. Who knows what good is? But also, you don't need to make a good film. That's not what your dream has been. That's not what you've been trying to do for a very long time. You've been dreaming of making a film. And it's okay if it sucks. It's okay, because there are you're not dying after the film is done. You can do more stuff afterwards. uh, but it needs to be done, and it needs to be done in a way that doesn't threaten you physically, and that can be sustained over 2 years. This is probably very rambly. I don't know if it really makes a lot of sense. I've been trying to make reels, but I've just been unable to. It just doesn't. It's not happening. So, but I still wanted to stay in touch. I still wanted to talk to anybody who was watching me on Instagram regularly and is now, and it might be forgetting who I am now. Uh, so I'll probably do a lot of these incoherent rambling incoherent ramblings on here. uh, so yeah, stay tuned for that. The next one will be better, I hope. But yeah, I'm making a terrible YouTube video.